Sit comfortably in a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, holding it for a moment. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow your shoulders to drop and your body to relax. This meditation is designed to help you cultivate clarity, focus, and resilience in the fast-paced world of trading. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your awareness to the present moment. Feel the surface you're sitting on. Notice the rise and fall of your breath. Let go of any thoughts about past trades or future outcomes. Say to yourself, right now, I am here. I am present. Picture yourself standing in a calm and peaceful forest. The trees around you represent stability and resilience. With each breath, feel your own inner strength growing, just like the roots of these trees anchoring deeply into the earth. Repeat silently or aloud, I am grounded and focused. I trust my process. I learn and grow from every experience. Picture the end of a successful trading day. See yourself closing your platform, satisfied not just with the results, but with your process and discipline. Let this vision fill you with a sense of accomplishment and peace. Begin to bring your attention back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Take one last deep breath, carrying this calm focus with you into your trading day. Remember, the markets are ever changing, but your inner calm can remain constant. Return to this meditation anytime you need clarity and balance.